All right, so now let's take a look at solving this differential equation. And let's explain a little bit more about differential equations, I guess. Because at first it's a little bit confusing because you're used to having equations and solving for x, right? In this case, though, we have a derivative, right? F prime of x is equal to something. So when we write this out as a differential equation, what we're actually asking for is what is the function f of x that would satisfy this, right? That would actually make this a true statement. Like that's what it means to solve our differential equation, right? So since we've been taking the antiderivative so far, this makes sense. We just really need to take the antiderivative of this, right? Because if this is the derivative, if we take the antiderivative, we're going to end up with our original f of x that would make this true. All right, so that's the basis. So really, we just need to take the antiderivative now. All right, so this first one is an exponential. So those ones are pretty straightforward. It would just be 6, and then just the same expression again, just e to the power of x over 3. And then think of like 1 over 3 as our k value. So you could do this. You could go divided by 1 over 3. But that would be the same thing as just multiplying by 3, right? Okay, so then I'm just going to do that. I'll say multiply by 3. Okay, so that'd be 18 now. And then plus, so this then becomes x to the power of 2. And then we have to make this 1 over 2. And then minus 5x. And then just plus c. All right, so then we'll just write one more time. So f of x is equal to 18 e to the x over 3 plus 1/2 x squared minus 5x plus c. Okay, so this actually is the solution. Like the thing we just did here is my solution for this differential equation. But I guess on that note, I guess this is to be fair, this is actually one of an infinite number of solutions, right? Because we have this plus c going on. So we're going to see in the next parts here that we can be more specific if we actually have a little bit more data when we set this up.